Hello, I'm Pat Reynolds, editor of Packaging World magazine, here with Moldright Plastics for the latest episode of Technology Minute. Today we talk with two Moldright subject matter experts, Leo Brazel, Director of Product Innovation, and Robert Buck Rogers, who is the Director of Corporate Facilities and Manufacturing Engineering. Our subject for today is customization and decoration for maximum shelf impact.
So, Leo, tell me about Moldright Plastics and the types of packaging you supply.
Well, Moldright is a single-source supplier of a broad range of plastic packaging, including closures and jars. And what sets Moldright apart from our other suppliers is our outstanding innovation, as well as our unmatched flexibility and responsiveness. We support many market segments, from household chemicals, food and pharmaceuticals, to nutraceuticals, personal care, health and beauty, and automotive. Among the company's complete line of products would be a vast continuous thread closure selection, child-resistant closures. We make jars and vials, fitments, back and top hinge closures, as well as disc tops, flip tops, turret-style closures, twist open, and strap caps.
With that many products on shelves, how important is it to stand out?
Very important. Basically, store shelves are very crowded, and most purchase decisions, at least 70% of them, are made at the store shelf. The product has about 3 seconds to engage a consumer. And most consumers kind of make their buying decision without researching it ahead of time.
How can Moldright help their customers' products get noticed?
So a really easy way to use stock packaging and help your products get noticed would be to use color. Basically, at Moldright, we mold the rainbow. And it's a proven fact that packaging influences customers to buy a product, and visual attractiveness is a huge part of that. So color gets noticed. To make it easier for consumers to find your product on crowded store shelves, colors can be used to associate and reinforce a brand. So your brand is orange, your brand is maroon. It helps drive customers to the store shelf and pick your product out amongst very crowded store shelves. Another good way to use color would be to brand inside of a brand to help consumers identify a flavor or a benefit, and it helps consumers to understand and draw themselves to your products and use them effectively.
Buck, let's hear from you. I know that decorating can further enhance the look of a product. What are some of the methods available at Moldright?
Sure. Moldright has several methods available to enhance the look of a product through decoration. First off, there's an embossing option where we can change the tooling and produce a raised logo on a part of varying types. We offer decorating solutions in both foil and ink solutions. Tipping is a great example of a foil-based decorating where we hot stamp a colored foil onto a raised logo to further pop off that logo from the closure. Hot stamping is another way to do that. We put logos onto flat caps and would not require a tooling modification. Our ink solutions involve offset printing, highlighting or kiss printing, and screen printing. So offset printing and highlighting are basically printing operations that involve ink of a variety of different colors, and we can decorate jars and closures with that. And screen printing is a great way to add a very high-quality look to a jar by laying down a lot of ink and producing a very high-quality look. This is very, very typical for personal products.
Now, Moldright is known throughout the industry for having many items in stock and ready to ship. Can a unique look be achieved utilizing just stock products? Leo, maybe you can tackle that one.
Yes, absolutely. I'll give you an example of that. So imagine that you have a need for a jar and a closure. So if you can imagine an 89 millimeter closure and an 89 millimeter finish to the jar, we have several different choices that you can use to change the look of that package. So we have 8 different standard closures that are available, 8 different styles. So there's smooth closures, rib closures, dome closures, child resistant, and then even dispensing closures in that size. The jars, there are at least 22 different stock continuous finish jars that would fit that closure of various capacities, different styles to the sidewalls, and also different materials. So each one of those things can give you a different look. So if you can consider, let's say, using a domed closure with a rounded base jar, that gives you a nice flush, more of a cosmetic look. Then conversely, if you were to use, let's say, a ribbed closure with a clear wall jar with thinner walls that can give you kind of more of a medicinal look. So considering using all the different stock liners, colors, and different package componentry that's available, that's over 1 million different package options that you could choose from.
But how about the other end of the spectrum? Tell us, Buck, can Moldright create an entirely customized package for a product?
Oh, absolutely. You'll see some examples on the slides on the screen there, from Food Solutions to including an award-winning Best of Show package there. Moldright Plastics has a fully integrated engineering team to bring a customer's custom requirements or ideas to reality, and we've got excellent operations that make sure that our customers keep getting that great custom product in a high-quality fashion, on time, and with great service.
And last question for you, Leo. How would a customer get started creating a customized design for their package with Moldright Plastics?
The best way is to talk to us about what you want to package and what you'd like to communicate through that packaging. We can provide renderings, SLAs, anything customizable to that particular need. We fill out a design brief, and we try to capture what your needs are, and we are creative about trying to go about how to fit those needs.